Right, this is very nice to me.
Or amazing.
Yes. Yeah, the original finished in 1993 still with these pictures.
Yeah.
Fabijoniškių. That's where 61 Fabijoniškių
Yeah.
in use Latvia.
It's not in use for some reason. Only 15 is used.
Probably finished in the beginning of 1993.
Yeah.
Fabijoniškių is one of the suburbs of Vilnius.
Yeah. Did you say the serial number?
No, where is it?
Yeah, it's here. 110103 239.
Yeah. But could have also been a wooden interior.
Yeah.
The doors. Yes, here.
Yeah. Yeah. Light here. Semi-welcome at front. But yeah, but it was good because then they would have saved something probably, but or not, but maybe still. So.
I like the sounds here.
And same here. Yeah, quite busy now.
Yeah. We will ride it soon. Also.
Yeah.
Hopefully it goes. That was the bigger one.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah. Not yet. They are very busy.
For some reason.
Yeah.
That is finished.
Yeah.
Probably.
Yeah.
To the first. Oh, I showed you a picture.
Yeah. No, or this the first, right? You can click on for it.
But then the video will be too long.
No, bit this the bigger ones.
Yeah, but it's the same.
but it's needless now.
Yeah, but I can see better, but all these scratches here.
Yeah, but we don't have to see them yet.
No, not really. But that makes it interesting also.
No, I don't think so.
I don't know, but for me it does somehow. Sometimes. But if there are not too many scratches, but
Yeah. It's built by Lithuania and maintained by Kone. Only one right bit. Yeah, only one right bit, a smaller one.
yeah. Because this one has better sounds.
Yeah.
But they were also too busy, no?
Yeah.
There's another one that sounds 57 or something. Next to this one.
Yeah.
There, yeah. We'll try it also.
Yeah.
Did you get that?
No.
We'll try.
Yeah. And two other buildings also. And tall ones, yes.
We'll try.
Yeah. And,
Let's wait for the small one.
yeah. And maybe there is an empty floor between floors 1 and 2 here.
Maybe.
So it's 16 floors total, I think.
Let's go before it closes.
Yeah.
Then I'll press 15. Not in bad condition here.
Yeah.
Not that many scratches on it,
Yeah.
but it's quite industrial for sure. I mean, these are quite industrial for sure.
Yeah.
But for 1993, they were pretty simple.
Yeah.
And there's also the version with digital indicator.
Yeah.
For example, at the airport Arian Hotel in Vilnius airport.
Yeah.
The one but with 4 floors and digital.
It's built by Lithuania and maintained by Kone.
Oh, the red one is the door open button.
Yeah.
Strange. I can feel the pressure in my ears a bit when it's big.
Yeah.
That's it. Thanks for watching.
That's